Oh, hey buddy. Oh, you're taking the GoPro? Just, yeah.
That's right, we swam with otters, and we want to tell you about this special place.
There's no place like this in the world where you can swim with otters.
But I'm not interested in it now that you want me to have it.
This place is called Nurtured by Nature, and it's located right outside of San Diego, California.
We went here a few years ago for Colette's birthday, and it totally exceeded our expectations.
Hey, Brian. Say hi.
It's kind of like the Jurassic Park thing. Nobody wants to see your
Some of the people, when they arrived, started crying immediately upon seeing the beautiful otters.
I think it was the best birthday gift ever.
Want to shake hands?
No, she's overwhelmed.
Hi, hi.
Hi, hi.
Fantastic. So, just keep me hands. Love it.
Not only were we able to swim with these cute little otters, but we got to play with a sloth.
They do love the sun and get warm, but they're basically, if they're going to be traveling, it's probably going to be at night.
But she's climbing quick.
Sloths are in the family Edentata, they're edentates, which includes...
And pet a porcupine.
Live generally in trees and eat the cambium layer in the soft branches.
And play with an armadillo. I'm getting excited thinking about it.
And best of all, we got to cuddle with baby otters. That's right, baby otters.
Little guys.
Go too far. Exactly. So these are baby otters. So these.
It's a day filled with exotic animals.
If you're an animal lover, you need to put Nurtured by Nature on your bucket list.
However, unfortunately, they've become so popular, they're booked out for months. So you're gonna watch their calendar online to make an appointment.
So when we went, it was around $200 a person, but now it's up to $650 a person. So I know it's steep, but it's a once in a lifetime opportunity, and I can't recommend it enough. Again, otters.
Glenn's laughing so much about his otters.
Just get that.
We're just gonna show you more otter footage.
Oh, they're so cute.
As always, I'm Scott.
And I'm Collette, the animal lover.
And we are Roamaroo, both animal lovers.
And if you like what you saw, please like and subscribe below.
Thanks so much.